Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine with waterful guide. Start by measuring one serving, usually 3 to 5 grams, and pour it into 8 to 12 ounces of water. Stir or shake until fully dissolved to avoid gritty texture. Drink immediately after mixing, or keep chilled briefly if preferred. Repeat daily, even on rest days, to maintain muscle creatine stores and maximize benefits over time for strength and recovery. Use about 8 to 12 ounces of water to mix 3 to 5 grams of creatine for a comfortable texture and taste. If you prefer colder drinks, dissolve with room temperature water first, then add ice or chilled water to avoid clumping. A shaker bottle with a wire ball or a vigorous stir with a spoon both work well, and drinking slowly can reduce any temporary stomach discomfort for sensitive users. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy making shakes and prepping meals, I love these leak-proof containers that keep your creatine mixes and snacks secure and spill-free. They fit neatly in gym bags and save cleanup time, which is great after sweaty sessions. If you find this content helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides like this, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Aim for a steady 3 to 5 gram daily dose after any optional loading phase to keep muscle creatine topped up. Taking creatine after workouts with water and a small carb snack can slightly boost uptake, but it is not essential. If you choose loading, divide 20 grams into 4 servings across the day for 5 to 7 days, then return to maintenance dosing to sustain your creatine stores effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.